Welcome back to CapexForexTrading.com. In today's lesson, we're going to focus on uptrends and downtrends. So what I have are two charts in front of me here. The chart on the left shows a clear uptrend, and the chart on the right shows a clear downtrend. So let's focus on chart on the left first. Now, when we see a clear uptrend such as this, we call this a bullish market. The reason why we call it a bullish market is because traders who buy or go long are called bulls. So at this point in time, it is the bulls that are dominating the market, hence the name bullish market. Now, if I just draw a line here, a trend line that connects the tops of the previous trend, you can see that the new uptrend really began to gain momentum at this point here, which is the point at which the opposite trend line was broken. Now, we're going to teach you various Forex trading strategies that allow you to get into the trend as soon as it gains momentum to generate as much profit as possible. We're going to do this in the later videos that we're going to record, so just keep watching. Now, when we see a clear downtrend such as this, we call this a bearish market. The reason why we call it a bearish market is because traders who short or sell are called bears. So the bears are the ones that are dominating the market at this point in time. So if I do the same thing as we did on the previous chart, which is connect the lows of the previous trend, you can see that the downtrend began to gain momentum at this point here, which is the point at which that trend line was broken. So it wasn't quite ready here, but at this point it was broken and it continued to shoot down. So we're also going to teach you trading strategies that allow you to get into the trade here where momentum is gained and is powerful enough to carry the trade down and generate as much profit as possible. Now, what you may see a lot of the time is basic sideways movement. So if I just draw a line here that connects the few lows there and a line there that connects the highs here, and let's say that we're going to focus on this little rectangular block in the middle. Now, this is when the market is really stuck for direction. It has no movement or momentum to go into any particular direction. Now, there are trading strategies that allow you to trade this, but most traders tend to stay away because this is the point at which the market consolidates and gathers all the strength that it needs in order to break out and start a new trend. Okay, so this is the sideways movement that realistically we advise to stay away from and wait until a new trend begins to get into it and generate as much profit as possible. But we're going to teach you that in the later videos. Okay guys, so as usual, leave us any comments or any questions that you may have, and we shall see you in the next lesson.